Welcome to AI Detector. My name is Nandivardhan Reddy from IIRE IT first year. Today's topic is facilitating document annotation using querying and content value. Let's come into the topic. A large number of organizations today generate and share textual descriptions of their products, services, and actions. Such collections of textual data contain significant amount of structured information which remains buried in the unstructured text. While information extraction algorithms facilitate the extraction of structured relations, they are often expensive and inaccurate, especially when operating on top of text that does not contain any instance of the targeted structured information. We present a novel alternative approach that facilitates the generation of structured metadata by identifying documents that are likely to contain information of interest, and this information is going to be subsequently useful for querying the database. Our approach relies on the idea that humans are more likely to add the necessary metadata during creation time if promoted by the interface, or that is much easier for humans to identify the metadata when such information actually exists in the document. Instead of naively promoting users to fill in forms with the information that is not available in the document. As a major contribution of this paper, we present algorithms that identify structured attributes that are likely to appear within the document. By jointly utilizing the content of the text and querying workload, our experimental evaluation shows that our approach generates such results compared to approaches that rely on the textual content or only on the query workload to upload or identify attributes of interest. Next, existing system. There are many application domains where users create and share information. For instance, new blogs, scientific networks, and social networking groups or disaster management networks. Current information sharing tools like content management software, examples of Microsoft SharePoint, allows users to share, document, and annotate them in an ad hoc way. Similarly, Google Base One allows users to define attributes for their objects or choose from predefined templates. This annotation process can facilitate subsequent information discovery. Many annotation simple systems allows only untyped keyword annotation. For instance, a user may annotate a weather report using a tag such as storm category 3. Next, architecture diagram. Here we see this A. It is full matches of non-normalized and B is partial matches of non-normalized. On left side, we see that matches versus number of suggestions graph. In this right side, we see the partial matches and number of suggestions. Here, green line indicates Bayes. So these dotted lines indicates Barrows. This is CV. This is data frequency. This is QV. This is RKL. Same in this right side graph also it was same. You should observe this graph, how it is going. Okay. Next. System specifications. Hardware requirements. Processor. It should be Intel NDM4, RAM 512 MB, hard disk 80 GB HDD. And software requirements are of OS operating system is Windows XP or Windows 7 and front end is Java and back end is MySQL 5. Next, we conclude that we proposed adaptive techniques to suggest relevant attributes to annotate a document while trying to satisfy the user querying needs. Our solution is based on a probabilistic framework that considers the evidence in the document content and querying workload. We present two ways to combine these two pieces of evidence, content value and querying value. A model that considers both components conditionally independent and a linear weighted model. Experiments shows that users are techniques which suggest attributes that improves the visibility of the document, which respect to the query workload by up to 50%. This that is, we show that using the querying workload can greatly improve the annotation process and increase the utility of shared data. Okay. Thank you.